Have we ever received any signals from aliens? An intriguing question, isn't it? For centuries, the possibility of alien life has captivated our imagination. It has inspired countless novels, movies, and even serious scientific research. We've pointed our telescopes towards the stars, listening intently for a whisper, a signal, anything that might suggest we're not alone in this vast cosmos. But have these efforts borne any fruit? Have we ever picked up an extraterrestrial message? In order to answer this question, let's dive into the vast universe of cosmic signals. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, known as SETI, started over half a century ago. This journey into the unknown was born out of our innate curiosity, the age-old question that has haunted humanity since time immemorial. Are we alone in the universe? And so, SETI embarked on its mission to seek out intelligent life beyond our blue planet. The inception of SETI was marked by a project named OSMA, initiated in the early 1960s. Led by astronomer Frank Drake, Project OSMA aimed to detect interstellar radio waves, a possible sign of alien communication. Though it didn't find any extraterrestrial signals, it set the stage for what was to come. Following OSMA, SETI's efforts have only intensified over the years. The organization has launched a number of projects, each more ambitious than the last, in a quest to find signs of intelligent life. Notable among these are the famous Arecibo message and the Pioneer plaques. In 1974, the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico beamed a message into space. This message, consisting of simple coded information about humanity and Earth, was our first active attempt to reach out to extraterrestrials. On the other hand, the Pioneer plaques, affixed to both Pioneer 10 and Pioneer 11 spacecraft, launched in the early 1970s, serve a similar purpose. These plaques carry images and symbols representing our planet and species, a cosmic message in a bottle aimed at any intelligent life that might encounter these spacecrafts in the distant future. But SETI's quest is not just about sending messages. It's about listening for that faint whisper, that distant echo, that might just be an alien civilization trying to reach out. It's important to understand that the search for alien signals is not just a whim, but a well-structured scientific endeavor. SETI's work is grounded in rigorous scientific methodology and backed by some of the brightest minds in the field. Their pursuit embodies our collective yearning to understand our place in the cosmos and to answer the question, are we truly alone? Over the years, there have been some intriguing signals that got everyone excited. Let's dive into the world of these mysterious signals and false alarms that have intrigued scientists and space enthusiasts alike. First off, who could forget the famous "wow" signal? Named after the exclamation written on the printout of the signal, it was a strong narrowband radio signal detected in August 1977. The "wow" signal was unique due to its duration and the fact that it appeared to come from a place devoid of stars or planets. Despite the excitement it generated, scientists have not been able to detect it again, leading many to conclude that it was probably a terrestrial signal that bounced off space debris. Next up, the Lorimer burst, also known as the fast radio burst. Discovered in 2007, these are incredibly short, high-energy signals. The Lorimer burst, named after the scientist who discovered it, was initially thought to be an alien signal due to its unusual properties. However, subsequent research showed that these bursts are quite common and likely come from natural cosmic phenomena. More recently, we have the BLC-1 signal. Detected in 2020 by the Breakthrough Listen project, it's the first signal to have been detected closer to home, coming from the direction of the closest star to our Sun, Proxima Centauri. The BLC-1 signal captivated scientists due to its frequency and pattern, which seemed to hint at a possible artificial origin. However, further analysis has shown that it's more likely to be interference from a human-made source. These signals, though fascinating, were not the conclusive evidence we are searching for. They represent the tantalizing possibilities and frustrating pitfalls of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. False alarms, while disappointing, are an integral part of this quest. Each signal, each false alarm, brings us one step closer to understanding our place in this vast, mysterious universe. So the search continues as we listen, learn, and yearn for that moment of undeniable contact. Detecting an alien signal is not as simple as it sounds. It's a blend of sophisticated technology, rigorous analysis, and a fair bit of luck. At the heart of this search are radio telescopes, our eyes and ears into the cosmos. Radio telescopes play a pivotal role. These gigantic structures, which can be as large as a football field, don't see the universe in the way we do. Instead, they detect radio waves, a form of electromagnetic radiation that travels through space. These waves are collected by the telescope's large dish, amplified and then converted into a format that scientists can study. But not all radio waves are equal. Some are created by natural phenomena like pulsars or black holes, while others might be the telltale signs of alien technology. Distinguishing between these, well, that's where things get tricky. This is the challenge of signal analysis. Scientists must filter out the cosmic background noise, those constant, natural radio emissions, to identify anything unusual. They look for patterns or repetitions, signals that stand out against the randomness of the universe. However, even if a signal seems promising, it must be verified. This process involves other telescopes located around the world, checking the same patch of sky. If they too pick up the signal, it bolsters the case for its extraterrestrial origin. If they don't, well, it's back to the drawing board. This rigorous verification process helps avoid false alarms, which have happened in the past. It ensures that if we do announce the discovery of an alien signal, it's something we can stand behind with confidence. Despite the challenges, the search for alien signals is an exciting field. Each new day brings the potential for discovery, for that one signal that might prove we are not alone in the universe. The search for alien signals is a complex process, but one that holds the potential for incredible discovery. Who knows what secrets the cosmos holds, waiting for us to tune in and listen. The search for extraterrestrial signals is far from over. In fact, it's gaining momentum like never before. Let's delve into some of the current projects and future prospects in this fascinating field. One of the most exciting ventures in the search for alien signals is the Breakthrough Listen initiative. Launched in 2015, this decade-long project is the largest ever scientific research program aimed at finding evidence of civilizations beyond Earth. It's scanning the 1 million closest stars to Earth and the plane of our Milky Way galaxy for signs of alien technology. Breakthrough Listen has already brought us some intriguing findings. In 2019, it detected a mysterious repeating signal, known as a fast radio burst, from a distant galaxy. While it's too early to say if this is a sign of alien life, it's certainly a tantalizing clue, and the project continues to probe the depths of space for more. But the search doesn't stop there. Looking to the future, the Square Kilometer Array (SKA) project promises to take our quest for alien signals to the next level. When completed, the SKA will be the world's largest radio telescope with a total collecting area equivalent to 1 million square meters. It will probe the universe in unprecedented detail, potentially detecting the faint signals of distant civilizations. In addition, scientists are also exploring new ways to search for extraterrestrial intelligence. This includes looking for technosignatures, signs of advanced alien technology such as megastructures built around stars to harness their energy. The road ahead is filled with possibilities. It's a time of unprecedented technological advancement, and every new discovery brings us one step closer to answering the question, are we alone in the universe? With these ongoing and future projects, the hope for that groundbreaking discovery remains alive. So, the big question remains, have we ever received any signals from aliens? Let's take a moment to recap the intriguing journey we've embarked on throughout this video. We've delved into the history of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, known as SETI. We've explored famous signals received and the false alarms that have sparked both excitement and skepticism. We've delved into the scientific methods employed in the quest to detect alien signals. And we've looked at the current projects underway and the future prospects of this fascinating field. Throughout this journey, we've encountered instances where tantalizing signals have been detected. These signals, like the famous WOW signal of 1977 or the recent BLC-1 signal, have certainly piqued our curiosity and fueled our hope of making contact with an extraterrestrial civilization. But here's the crux of it all. None of these signals have been conclusively proven to be from extraterrestrial intelligence. They remain, at best, intriguing anomalies. And while we've made incredible strides in our ability to scan the cosmos for signs of life, we're still in the early stages of this grand cosmic quest. So, as we stand on the precipice of the unknown, gazing out into the vast expanse of the universe, the answer to the question, have we received any alien signals, is still a resounding, we don't know. While we continue the search, the question remains a fascinating mystery waiting to be solved.